So here's a quick tutorial on how to lockpick in Oblivion. So we will move the tumbler with our pick and we will wait for tumbler to get slow like this. Then we will set the tumbler when it's on the top. You can keep pressing W. Like this, it will make it easier. And boom. Again, same. Like this is fast, for example. We will wait for a slow movement. Like this. Or this. This is slow. This is good. This is also good. This is fast. So we will keep doing this until the tumbler is slow. Like this. That's it.